Lamont. Tell me about what Verizon is seeing in regards to progress for Zero Trust.
Yeah, thanks, Luke. And we're seeing great progress from the government on how we're going to be going through this journey. As you said before, there's a journey that this is going on, but what's also defined in all these documentation and things that we're using to do development and to do solutioning around is there's a clear destination and understand and expected outcomes that we're going. As you guys recently saw, CISA just released the second version of their Zero Trust Maturity Model, which is a good guidance and collaboration with the industry to help us understand, help the government decide how we're going to meet these different metrics and different target levels, but also how we as industry are going to be able to develop and be able to bring solutions to them to be able to solve for zero trust. As you saw, I mean, all these documentations from the DoD, from what the Office of the National Security, Cybersecurity Director, from the CISA, they're all aligning. They're all providing clear guidance. They're all providing us how we should be developing our solutions, how we then should be able to start partnering, integrating all of our solutions together too as well, because this is not going to be one solution that covers the full gambit of the zero trust. So for me, for example, here at Verizon, it helps guide me looking at the target levels on how do I build network security inside of the network from the wireline standpoint and also from the 5G, from how I'm building authentication security in there, how I'm building threat management inside of my product to be able to deliver that, how I'm also building in software-defined networking to be able to help with that micro-segmentation that the government's looking to be able to do to manage how the traffic is supported. Also how I'm handling managed services too as well. There's a huge part of visibility and understanding those assets. As Chris said, data is spreading. It's not a moat anymore. It's wherever that user is, wherever it needs to be. That's where that security also needs to be too as well. So it helps us figure out how do we then provide that visibility so that we can protect and get ahead of that threat. But then also, help with identifying and mitigating and collaborating so we can then also work in different areas of the network. And then finally, it helps us also to figure out how, again, we all partner together. So no one vendor is going to be able to provide all the services. So how do I know what I need to target, what I need to be able to, who I need to partner with to integrate, and how we can then provide those end-to-end outcomes to be able to support the zero trust architecture?